Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we're talking about the things we're loving in our home. I'm giving you my take on all things wonderful. While we're trying to grow our channel, if you want some merch, hit me up in the comments. And feel free to like, subscribe, share, all of the things. We really appreciate the support. Today we're going to be talking about a tool that is an EDC item. So if you're somebody that is along here for jewelry and handbags, it's always good to have special tools. This is a Les George knife that I'm going to be using to open this specialty item, and there is a connection. This item came from Monkey Edge. Ooh, that feels so good. And my husband on the daily uses a variety of tools, pry bars, oh man, screwdrivers, all sorts of things. And so anytime a new, fun tool comes up, he always likes to look at them. He bought me a nice wine bottle opener tool before, so I support the tool habit. Okay, inside this box, we have Gearrito. That's hilarious. It's like a little, y'all, this is hilarious. Chipotle right here. This is totally like Chipotle branding, and I love it. I'm here for it because I love Chipotle. But it is basically like lay your original Monkey Edge Gearrito flat with the Velcro tabs facing up, and it teaches you how to wrap it like a little burrito. That's precious. And then on the bottom, you can actually see here, this is a monkey, and it says Monkey Edge. I really like this. Oh, we have two Gearritos. Why do we have two?
I bought two.
Oh, you bought two. Okay. Daddy bought two. Inside the box, in addition, you got one. You bought two of these?
No, I bought two.
Did you buy two pry bars? Okay. All right. Because there's only one in the box. I was thinking there was something wrong. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Let's see. Before we get into it. Ooh. Keep it legit, Monkey Edge, knives, gears, don't buy bullshit. Heck yes. For all you people who are posting on my bag videos telling me to buy replicas, I don't buy bullshit. So there you go. This is great. So there's the policies and procedures information here, and then our receipt, packing list. This bitch is big. I have not seen a pry bar like this in our household. This is crazy. It's titanium. It's Pry titanium. It's the Defiant7. Wow. This is huge. Do you have another pry bar for reference?
Top drawer.
Top drawer? These are the types of pry bars that I'm used to in our home. Who made this one?
Semper Sharp.
Oh, okay. Semper Sharp?
Out of Alaska.
This is out of Alaska. Semper Sharp out of Alaska. And this is Vero Engineering. So these little guys, and they go in his pocket when he goes to work. This pry bar, I'm impressed. This is huge. Okay. I think that I'm going to have to open it up. I've never seen a pry bar this large. So the overall length, I probably should have read this beforehand, is 8 inches. All of the other pry bars are just a few inches long. So this one is, it's so big. The width is 1 inch. It's mole compatible. I don't know what mole is, but M-O-L-L-E or Molly compatible, mole. It is 0.265 inches thick. It weighs 5.2 ounces, and it is grade 5 titanium. And boop, dang. Look at this. So it could go in your pocket realistically, but who has a pocket that is this deep, right? Maybe I could just like stick it in here. This could be a boob pry bar, right? I don't know, it might hurt, but there you go. Here's my pry bar, everybody. What are you gonna, okay, I'm gonna pry my hair here. What are you gonna pry with this?
Stuff.
All right, pry my hair out. This, I feel like if I had a flat tire and I needed to change my tire and I needed to jack my tire, I could use this. This is incredible. Okay, I do want to share a little bit about who made it. The reason, so Defiant7 was a collaboration between Chad Nichols and Les George. So the reason we were using the Les George knife to open was because that there was a connection here. And they wanted to start a company that was not a company, but rather a sandbox where they were free to create and produce their knives on their terms. So Defiant7 is the accumulation of Les and Chad's experience. Very cool.
Chad Nichols, Damascus.
Ah. On this one, on Iago? Ooh, Chad Nichols, Damascus. And this is on a Zermino.
Zermino, yeah.
Zermino is who made it, but the Damascus is Chad Nichols, Damascus. Zermino is a Texas knife maker, and I think that this one looks like Iago, the bird from Aladdin. That's why I call it Iago. All right, we're gonna wrap this up in our little Chipotle, Gearrito. So hilarious. I like this. What do y'all think? This is intense. My ring made the sound against it, sorry. Oh, shall I compare it to a summer's day? This is twice the size. And this is probably 2/3 of the size. But I think these are cool because you can put the bits in the back of them. But dang. This does have some nice, like levels, layers of it. Very cool. Okay, Daddy's gonna play. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're coming back to talk about the Gearrito because my husband opened it up and I think it's way cool. And so I just wanted to show what you do. So one of the reasons why they make them is because sometimes the packs that the knives come in, the cases are a little bit large. And so this is a little bit of a protector that's smaller, but there is Velcro on the corners and the outside has a felt material. And so what you do is you place your item down at the bottom and then you fold it up once, twice to where you get to the midline here. And so once you're at the midline, then you're gonna fold in here and there's Velcro right there, so it's secure. And then you fold in again, also Velcro, and then you roll down and snap it up. And you've got a little case. It's kind of like a diaper for your knife. But that's essentially what you're doing. You're wrapping it up as a little burrito. This is not symmetric. I would be much more type A about it if I was gonna take it to go and make it nice and pretty. But that's really nifty. Good little protection here, and I would probably angle it so that this would be the top because I think I would want my branding. So let's try that again. Okay, so I'm gonna fold, you can't see it because it's down here, to the midline. I'm gonna cross over, and maybe like you're making a little package. I rolled it really tight, so maybe I can do it a little bit less tight so that it's perfect little mailbox. Super cool, great invention.